How are you? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be talking about items from the dollar store. Now, I love the dollar store, and when I find good items that works really well and lasts a very long time, I like to tell you guys about it. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. I have all my items right here on the counter, and I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite items that I love from the dollar store. So let me show you. So first thing I have here is those microfiber towels. They are great. They pick spills up amazingly, and it's very cheap. They're 5 in a pack for $3. And these ones are the very large one, and you can buy 10 in a pack, the very same ones, and they are the smaller ones, and they clean up awesome. All you gotta do is just do a little wipe. It's all clean, works great. Item number 2 are those towels. I love me those towels. They are amazing. And these towels are very versatile. You can use them to cover stuff, and I'm just covering some chamomile right here and some stevia, which I want to grind up. I'm just covering them because they were outside in the sun. I want them to stay crispy, so I just cover them with my towel. These towels are perfect. I like especially this color. You can just fold them up and they look nice anywhere you have them. Like, they look so super duper nice. I specifically like this color. This color is really nice. But my favorite are those. I find these ones are really nice. These two are my favorites. Yeah. So, and they're cotton and very versatile and easy to use. And all you have to do is throw them in the wash, and once you're done, you just fold them up nicely like what I'm doing, and then you just put them away in your drawer. I like to put this one here because it's so pretty. I like to hang this one there. This one I like to hang it here so I can dry dishes. I just have a little command hook right here to hang it. In the middle of my video, you want to go outside. You outside? Are you happy? And don't be chasing the chickens. Okay, kitty? You be a nice kitty. Don't chase the chickens. She goes out there and she chases the chickens. Look at her. Okay, I'll show you guys. Hello, chickies. Hello, chickies. And I stopped for a commercial break for my cat. Now back to the original video, which is this. As I was saying, so these ones, they're perfect because they're color coordinated, as you can see. They have these colors. And it's written, look how big it is. It's written in here. You can even touch it. It's like a raised writing. So it's, see, is it focusing the camera? Yeah, so you can see a quarter cup, a third of a cup, half a cup, 1 cup. So there, it's big. And then the good thing about these ones is, you see, they fold in like this. And then when you want to just open it up like that. See, when you're done with it, you just fold it up and it's flat. I like that. I like that. So that's why I love these. Next item are those cups. This one says be brave and be bold, and there's a tiger on it. So I just love things that have nice words, and plus the cup is a good size to have a nice cup of tea. So I love that. Next thing is this basket, and it's $4, and I love this basket because it's so versatile. I wash my fruit. I do lots of stuff using this basket. I take it outside to go to the garden and pick stuff in the garden. So it's awesome. So I love me this basket. So the next item is this lovely bowl. And I must say, this is my very, very favorite. Look at it, guys. It's so pretty. They have two sizes. They have the extra large, and then they have a small one. But I like this one because it's very versatile. And let me show you what I usually use these bowls for. So one of my favorite thing that I like to use this bowl for is to put fruit in on my table. So it looks really nice and it's just nice. I like it. I put all my fruits in it and it's big and it can hold lots of fruit. The second thing I like to use this beautiful bowl for is to make bread. So I put my yeast in. About that much, about a teaspoon. Sugar. And I love to make bread in here. It's a very big bowl and it's easy to make. It's easy to make bread in because it's so wide. It's easy to knead flour in. So I love this. And there you go. There you have it. I have my yeast ready to go. I'll cover it, leave it to sit for 5 minutes, then I'll go put my flour in. Next item is this. This is great. I've been looking for these command hooks for a long time. I tried, I don't know, dozens of them and none of them work. but this dollar store one works like a charm. And I have quite a lot of them, and I've been just hanging them all over the house. And right here I have the bigger size, and it works like a charm. I just hang bags and everything when we come out in the back of the house. I just hang things here. In the wintertime we hang our coat there. I'm gonna put two more on that side so we have more space for coats when we come from outside. So it works amazing. So I love them. The next item is those, and these are just plastic serving trays. It's meant for like disposable serving trays, but they are great to dry herbs and stuff in them. So they do a great job for drying herbs, and that's what they're used for. These are the perfect size to dry herbs. Like say you have like a small amount of herb and you don't want a big container. They're great for drying herbs. You just put a small amount of herbs in there and it works perfectly, and you just put them to dry. And I have a chamomile drying in here. And the last item I want to show you are those trays. These trays are super great. They're $3 a piece. They used to be $1, then they went to $2. Now they're $3 a piece. They keep going up in price, but they work great, and I use them to dry herbs because they're big and they can hold a lot of herbs. And yep, these are my go-to trays for drying herbs. And as you can see, I have herbs drying here on a parchment paper inside the tray, and it's very big. It holds a lot of herbs, and you can take that tray outside, put it on something, you wouldn't slip and fall down. It's pretty sturdy, and it holds a lot of herbs to dry. So I love those trays. So the last two things I want to show you guys are cutting tools, and I made a whole video about this already, but I just had to get another one. I think this is gonna be my third or fourth one or something like that. I just keep buying them because they're so good. It's a floral scissors. It's works so amazing, and I'm gonna use it. I wanted a new one actually because I have all these. Let me see if I can show you guys. See what's happening here? Ooh, it's getting dark here. Okay. So you see what's happening here. I am processing herbs, labeling and processing and mixing herbs to put on my website. And yeah, so I need to cut up all this mint that would come from the garden. It's all dried and ready to be processed. So that's what we're doing. And I'll be using the scissors and my favorite shears from the dollar store. It's not $1, it's about $3, but they work amazing. And let me show you how amazing this one works. It works like awesome. Cuts like a really good. It cuts things really fine, and so I love it. So this is the last two things that I'm going to show you all, and this is all my dollar store things that I love from the Dollar Tree. All of them is not $1. Some of them are $1. Some of them are $2. Some of them are $4. Some of them are $2.50. But they're still good, and they work really well, and they're very durable. And I find they look really nice, and they look chic. Like if somebody don't know about like there's a that you buy it from the dollar store. It doesn't look like a cheap item. So that is why I love those items. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have a dollar store, go over there and get some of those things because they work well. The spatulas especially work well for like when you're making cakes or when you're turning over eggs or any fritters, something that you're making. They work so awesome. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for always coming back. I really appreciate you guys. And remember, you are beautiful, and tell yourself beautiful things on the inside and be kind to yourself. And ciao ciao. I'll see you in the next one.